Hi, Grace. You asked the question as to whether or not you were missing any assignments, and I'm just going to show you how you can check for that information. So I'm just impersonating you, so I have that ability to go into your account and just see it from your point of view. So what I've done is I've gone into grades, and as you can see, whenever I hand back marks and grades, they come with this as well as a mark or a comment. So I just wanted to go through and show you that all of these assignments have been marked because there's a grade attached to them. These were for feedback, so there is no comment in there. It was usually within the document, and there's no grade there. So those are not missing. Those are just formative assignments. So as we go through, there was one discussion that you missed. You are more than welcome to go back through Unit 2, Activity 2 to see what it is and to email me through the email system that you have a response, or you can share with me what your response would have been. It won't be for full marks because you're not participating in the discussion, but you are more than welcome to hand that in to me and I can give you part marks for your contribution as to what you would have said or what you were thinking about. As we go through, I'm seeing all the marks attached. And again, these were for formative feedback. And in Unit 3, that's where we started. I haven't marked these assignments. You can actually go through. So you have handed in all assignments, just looking at that one in particular. The other thing that you can do just to ensure that you've participated in or handed in all of the assignments is to go through your Dropbox and just ensure that you've handed in everything. So this is up to Unit 2, and I can see that you've submitted all of those assignments, and that once we get to Unit 2, Activity 3, which is due this week, that it has not been submitted. So you can actually see that you've handed in all of those, and that there will be a grade attached to them once they have been marked. But I haven't marked anything in Unit 3 because I only wanted to include Unit 1 and Unit 2 in the midterm evaluation. Hope that answers your question.